Magandang hapon.
Kamusta po si Presidente?
Yes, okay naman siya. Nagkita kami ni former President Rodrigo Duterte sa loob. Nandoon pa rin siya sa loob ng hospital. So, hindi pa siguro siya all clear. Base siguro sa assessments ng doctors niya. He's in very good spirits. Meron siyang, tinanong ko siya kung kamusta yung pagkain. Sabi niya meron namang rice. And then, tinanong ko siya kung paano yung ulam. Sabi niya, half-half daw. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng half-half. Hiniling ko about it. Half-half.
Bisaya lang tayo, Bisaya.
Oh.
Kami Bisaya.
Yes.
Regarding the legal, his legal team and his decision na sabi ni Attorney Roque, he has to decide on. Has he made that decision?
Very lang no, very general lang ang pwede ko i-discuss about the legal team and the legal strategies and kung anong mga ways forward legally. Unang-una, his team is headed by Attorney Nicholas Kaufman, and then meron pa akong mga kakausapin ng mga lawyers, no. Meron pang darating na isang abogado. I-interview ko siya para sumali sa team. And then once maayos na yung team for ICC, magwi-withdraw si Attorney Medialdea kasi meron lang limited na mga slots for lawyers, and we want all the lawyers on board na merong ICC experience.